Pretty high up on this Grove Run trail, and walking along here, and look what I see. A bridge. I've been told this foolhardy would come here in the winter time. Whoa. That's what makes it so dangerous right there. You can fall right off that ledge because it's slippery. But I hear there's a waterfall here. And this time of year, with the stream running so heavily, I want to see it. Now you probably will think I'm crazy. This is how much snow I'm walking in. Just a good foot of snow. It makes a moderate trail a very difficult one. Oh, as you can see, there's one of the waterfalls. And I believe yes, if I cross this bridge, here's another one. Right there it is. It's got all this ice hanging on it. Very beautiful. Up the hill. I assume since I've reached my limit where I'm going, that's where I gotta go. Very carefully. That's a lot of snow though, you know, I mean that's... It's a good 6-7 inches, some places a foot, depending on exactly what you want to call drifting snow or just fallen snow. And it is a beautiful day to be out. It's just extremely dangerous to walk in it. Got a good 3-4 mile hike back. And of course walking uphill is not the hard part. It's walking downhill. Just want to get a sense of what this Grove Run trail is like. It goes up to the Quarry Trail. There's some stunning views. Here's a beech nut seed. A squirrel must have had it. And here the wind just coming up over the mountain. Clouds are moving very fast today. It's kind of a sign that being as warm today as it is, it's going to be cooling off pretty quickly. It's actually supposed to snow tonight, a couple inches. So I did this to get out. I don't get to get out very often in the winter, which is kind of a shame because there's always a whole different aspect on the beauty of what you normally see all year round in nature. These trees that fell down. I don't know if the camera can adequately show this, but this is a really big rock here. I hiked up as far as I can get. I don't want to get too close because it's been sliding down this mountain for the past probably 150 million years. I don't know. And there are caves under it. And the reason I don't want to really push my luck is because that's a perfect spot if I were a bear that I'd want to like really sleep, hibernate. And they do come out. When it warms up like this, they will come out and feed. It came all the way down that ridge, whether it been a glacier that moved it, whatever, and it's going to keep continuing going down through here until it reaches the bottom there one of these days, I guess. I don't know. But what a big rock. All sandstone, of course, the type of stone that would have been known for this area for when it was an ocean. Above that you'll find slate and a lot of fossils. It's pretty neat. It's getting windy here, which is telling me whatever storm's coming is about ready to blow in, so I better head on out.